Maintain a credible backup scenario for your situation for each and every database on your system. That's something we can always recommend. Even if you have a great system like this here, you still need to do your backups.
Absolutely. Now, having said that, hence becomes the problem of retention of your backups over a span of time. So disk space is not infinite, and we all realize that. And so there comes a point in time when you want to maybe think about archiving those in the traditional sense. However, in the context of the Zebi solution, the features that are specific to either at the project level or at the individual LUN level is a whole host of features. Among them is a feature called dedupe.
Dedupe?
Dedupe. And essentially what that means is, why should I bother copying the name Larry infinite number of times with each iteration of my backups I'm storing? And so dedupe is essentially being smart about your storage. Only the delta bytes would be stored in the additional follow-on database backups. Again, as I think I said earlier, is you have a situation where on a span in the course of a day, I might churn in an extraordinarily busy database, maybe 5% of the data. Typically, it's far reduced from even that. And so in this case here, you're going to only be storing the delta bytes as a consequence of this deduplication. And so your issues of having to deal with offloading, archiving database backups that span more than 30 days or something like that is something now that you can forestall to a much greater length of time, maybe 180 days or even more, depending on the frequency of your backups, depending on the amount of change and churn that takes place within your databases.
Rick Hygas, SQL Server MVP, Scalability Experts.
Larry Chestnut, Senior Architect, Scalability Experts.